everybody, it's Wendy, and today we're going to open up the curated bead box for February 2023. First of all, our encouraging word for today is a Japanese proverb, and it says fall 7 times and stand up 8. So there you go, persevere. Okay, so here are the codes for this month's curated bead box for February 2023. The theme is love is ... So super cute. So let's check it out and see what we've got in here. So we've got, it looks like an organza baggie full of stuff and an extra organza baggie. Now, I want to say curated bead box, I really do like them because I think they're a fantastic stash builder. But I've had some people telling me lately that they're not getting the same beads that I'm getting. It does say here, bead sizes and types may vary due to availability. I do think, let me just say that they should have enough beads to fill all of their boxes. You know, the same beads for, I really believe that. I subscribe to a lot of bead boxes, and none of the other ones are substituting strands of beads for different things. You get what you get in them, and this one should be the same way. So just having said that, this is what I get. I hope you guys get the same thing. You should, I believe. If you don't, then I don't know. That's one thing with this box that's come up lately, is just that people are not getting the same things that I'm getting, or strands are being left out and things like that. And so, yeah, I just wanted to note that I don't think that should be happening. So, they need to step it up with their stuff there, because that's not going to work with people. But we're going to open this one today, and hopefully you will have the same things that I have in your box. So let's check it out and see what we've got. So we have a 10mm Summer Glory Crackle Season Glass Bead. This is another thing about this box. It's just kind of hard sometimes to figure out what's what. So 10mm, so that has to be this. This is the only crackle bead that is a 10mm. Okay. So I think that's this one, Summer Glory. It's very pretty. It is a peach and pinky crackle bead, really pretty. So I believe that is the first one, the Summer Glory. Now, curated bead box is $20 delivered straight to your door. That includes shipping and everything. It's a pretty good deal, I think. It's a decent stash builder. There are not gemstones usually. Every now and then they'll throw in a strand of something gemstone. It looks like we might have rose quartz in this one. But, it is a great stash builder. So we'll check it out. So 10mm next, soft peach marble style glass bead. I believe that's this one. And I do have a coupon code for this box. It is Wendy35, and that will get you 35% off your first month's box. I really like these. I like these marble style, and this peach color is really pretty. Okay, then we have 10mm. Yeah, these are rose quartz gemstone bead. So here we have some rose quartz. This one's really cool looking. Look at that. It's kind of broken on the end. That one is, but it's the prettiest one. Yeah, so we've got some rose quartz. That looks pretty with these others. 8mm neon pink round crackle glass bead. That's these. I feel like we get these often. And this one's got something black on it. I feel like the quality of this box has decreased some lately. I don't know. These beads we had in a 12mm or 10mm style not too long ago. So there's these. And honestly, yeah, it's a lot of pinks and reds. I don't really feel like that this goes too well with these. I don't know. I'm just not a fan of hot pink, I guess, so much. But there's a neon pink round crackle bead. It is a huge strand. You get a lot of beads on it. I'm not sure what's going on, what this is on this one. But anyway, there's something on this one too. Maybe that's just in the rose quartz. I don't know. All right, so there's those. And then we have 8mm red orange marble style glass bead. That's these. These are very pretty. I do like these marble style. I think they're really pretty. This I don't feel like goes with this at all. These look really pretty together. These two right here. So, and the rose quartz goes well with it. This one's not really, but close. So, let's see, what's next? We have 8mm pink perfect abstract glass bead. I believe that's this. These are pretty cool looking. So that's this pink perfect abstract glass bead. All right, 6mm soft pink marble style glass bead. That's this one. Again, very pretty. I don't know if you can see the marbling. These are really soft pink color. Very pretty. They go really good with these. And these maybe too. Let's see. Yeah, pretty good with those too. These three go pretty good together. These four go pretty, or these three go pretty good. And this guy, he's just on his own. As far as I'm concerned, he doesn't fit. Okay. And let's see. We have 8mm gold semi-matte glass bead. That would be this one. There we have it. And then 6mm red blossom spray glass bead. And that's this. And these have kind of a spottiness on them, I guess. Little dots on them. Okay, that's that one. These two go nicely together. So, you know, with this box, it looks like you're just going to have, like, everything's not going to be cohesive together. We're going to mix and match. And that does happen a lot with boxes. So, like, these two I would put together. Probably this one with it, maybe. Yeah, all of those could go together. All of these could go together pretty well. This one could be a crossover, but it's a little too pinky to go with the red. So I think it'd be these and these so far that I would do. Okay. Then we have 6.0 very pale pink opaque glass seed bead. Now these, I am not at all impressed with these. First of all, there's something dirty in the bag. I don't know what is going on this month with it. And as you can see, these are not even close to consistent in size. I mean, not even anywhere near close to consistent in size. You've got huge ones, you've got teeny tiny ones. So yeah, not a fan of these. These are something that will just go in a giveaway, I'm sure. I will not be using those at all. Yeah, not a fan. Okay, and then 64mm heart bronze metal pendant. That's this. It's really cute, but it is gigantic. Okay, it's 64mm. Again, man, I mean, it would make a cute bracelet focal if it would bend a little. I don't know if you could possibly, it's kind of curved here. I don't know if we could maybe curve it and make it a bracelet focal somehow. I don't know. This probably I would not wear as a pendant. It's very big. You could do like a sun catcher or something like that. I don't know. Maybe we could dangle something from here. We'll see. It's pretty though. I like this hammered look and I like the bronze. It's a pretty pendant. You could even, if you liked it better that way, do it that way, but it's very, very, very large. So we'll see what we do with that. Then we have 12 by 10mm Made with Love gold metal charm, 8 charms. Yeah, these are cute. They say Made with Love. They're single-sided, I'm sure. No, they're double-sided. Look at that. They're double-sided. So that's nice. So we've got those. Then we have pink and red large organza gift bags. Okay, we've got 2 gift bags in organza. Approximately 1 ounce Love Designer glass bead mix. Okay, let's look at these. These are super interesting right here. These are like triangles and they're top drilled, like briolet style. Now these would be kind of cool to maybe dangle in here. Don't know about this big old pendant. I'm telling you, it's huge. But these would be kind of pretty to dangle in there maybe. Here's a really pretty peanut looking sort of bead. So there's some interesting stuff in here. These are, I think these are called peanut beads. These little, they have a hole in the middle and they're kind of peanut shaped. These 3, not a fan, but there's some really pretty crystal stuff going on in here. So these are really pretty, if you can see them with my camera. It's wanting to focus on everything in the background. Really pretty. So this is a little, they call it a designer bead mix, and it's got some really pretty stuff in it, I've got to say. This is really interesting stuff. Top drilled triangle sort of things that I've not seen before. So, now look at this one. This is like a, see how it's drilled through here? And then you've got, it's really pretty. Pretty. Really pretty maybe to make an earring out of that. I don't know. You could put a head pin through here maybe and make it stand up. It's pretty. I wish that there are 2 of these larger ones. Wish there was another one of these in the bigger size, because this is really pretty too. It's got like a magma finish on the top there, sort of. There are 2 of the smaller ones, I think. So anyway, really, it's a cool little bead mix here. Let's put this in this container. And then we have our findings pack, and I always do look forward to this findings pack because it's really nice. You've got some memory wire and gold. We've got some crimp beads, some lobster clasps, jump rings, fishhook ear wires, bead stringing wire, stretch cord, and head pins. So all in all, not a fan of these at all, or these. We could take these out. And these are okay, these little made with love things. The rest of this I like really well. A lot of these 3 will go really pretty together. These will go really pretty together. This probably will go with that mainly. This is really big, but it is pretty cool. I'm not sure what I'll do with it. Probably a necklace, connecting some chain or something onto here, and it dangles like a big dangly thing here maybe. I don't know. This is really cool though. You could patina it as well, but patina I don't think would look really good with this stuff, these colors, unless you did like a orangey or something. But anyway, pretty nice bunch of stuff this month. These 2 will probably go to the donate box. But the rest of this, you know, we'll see what we can do with it. I hope you guys get the same beads that I do. That to me is a huge issue and needs to be addressed. You know, people should not be getting different things and stuff shouldn't be being left out. I just really feel like that's an issue. So let me know what your experience is with CuRated bead box. I would love to know. I've had 2 people reach out to me regarding some things with them already. So if you have any intel or you would like to share with me, please email me. I would like to know what your experience is with them. And like I said, $20 a month, shipped straight to your door. It's a pretty good deal. It's mainly a stash builder, but you know, it's a pretty good deal. So you're getting lots of beads in different sizes and finishes, and usually a strand of gemstones of some sort. So these are rose quartz. I can't remember what we had last month. I don't know if we had gemstones or not, but anyway, Thanks for watching, guys. I do have a coupon code, Wendy35. Will give you 35% off of your first month's box. If you want to check them out, I will link everything in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.